Want to learn how to make your PowerPoint presentations stand out? Today, I'll show you how to put a video inside your text in PowerPoint, creating an impressive effect. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a super cool PowerPoint trick to share with you. Putting a video inside your text. Let's dive right in. Start by creating a new slide and insert a rectangular shape to fill the entire slide. Change the color of the shape to black. Now, insert a WordArt style text box. And type in your desired text. Remember, this effect works best with WordArt style text boxes, not normal text boxes. Choose a unique font style for your text. Adjust the size of your text. Select both the rectangular shape and your WordArt text while holding down the Shift key. Go to the Format tab, click on Merge Shapes, and then select Combine. This will give your text the see-through property, allowing anything behind it to be visible. Follow the instructions. Right-click on the video, select Send to Back. You can download video backgrounds from various websites online. Simply search for free video backgrounds on Google and choose one that fits your presentation theme. And that's it. You've successfully put a video inside your text in PowerPoint, creating an eye-catching effect for your presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.